Hello guys, welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 4 best free screen recorders for Windows. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.
If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started.
Number 1. Camstudio. Camstudio is the open-source software for screen recording. Of course, it lacks video editing features, but it offers too many features. It can also record your voice along with the video. It is the #1 screen recording software among open-source software. It will create a video in AVI format. First, you need to spend some time learning about this software. Highlights of Camstudio. Completely free to download. Easy to use. Records at best quality. Number 2. TechSmith Capture. TechSmith Capture, formerly known as Jing, is a good option, but it is not everyone's mind to invest bucks in purchasing software. In that case, Jing is a good alternative. Its offerings are unlimited as it is effective in capturing the screen in no time. It is supportive, but not in all cases. When it comes to capturing the big screen recording, then it is not a pleasant option. Though Jing is very popular and has gained millions of users. Highlights of TechSmith Capture. Supports longer video recording. Provides video output with .mp4. Full screen and regional image capture. Annotation tools. Number 3. EZVID. EZVID is a good way to improve the speed of screen recording or screen capturing. Though, it is free even if it does its task instantly. This screen recording software for Windows is supportive of other platforms also. EZVID is a better choice and comes with a video editor. It is useful and in demand with its multitasking ability. It has better control and all the noticeable features are many in this Windows screen recording software. Highlights of EZVID. Fast and easy screen recorder. Instant facecam and voice synthesis. Fun to use. Draw on your screen. Free music included. Supports all the versions of Windows. Number 4. Webinaria. Webinaria is coming with various features. It will not let you down when you need it. Webinaria is mind-blowing in making flash videos or screen recordings for PC. You can also engage yourself in recording the voice with the recording. Hotkeys are essentially an easy task in Webinaria. Webinaria is a screen recording tool for Windows that offers unlimited workable features. It is impressive to use as all the offerings are active and innate. Highlights of Webinaria. Open source. Easy to use. Supports all the versions of Windows.
I hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.